Good morning, class! I hope you're ready for an exciting day, because look what I brought!
Miss Bella, what's in the box?
Well, Tommy, let's find out.
Today we'll learn about colors.
Oh, wow! Look at them go! They are so excited to see you all! Let's give them a wave!
I'm red. Wow! So bright! Tommy, where do you see red? Apple. Red apple. Hooray! That was great! Delio, Dino! I am blue. Blue.
Sky is blue.
My pencil is yellow.
Pink.
Red, blue, yellow, pink, colors everywhere. Tommy, let's mix two colors.
Look, when I mix the red and the yellow together, it makes orange.
Orange, like me.
Almost done with the purple. Look at that, it's so big. Hooray, we finished it.
Oh no, I've made a mess of the floor. That looks like art, Tommy.
Rainbow floor.
Everybody dance now, spin around, and clap your hands. You're doing great, everyone. Look at the colors.
We did it again.
It sparkles so magically across the room. Colors make our world beautiful. Hinsepo Jigren. Beautiful and colorful world.
We are going to learn colors. Look, L-E-A-R-N-C-O-L-R-S.
Everyone look right here and show me those beautiful smiles. Ready?
Yay!